Hey guys, today we're going to talk about jobs and occupations. So, waiter, waitress for feminine, paramedic, dentist, train conductor, nurse, electrician, doctor, businessman or businesswoman, American football player, student, surgeon, doorman, secretary, soldier, repairman, scientist, reporter, construction worker, professor, police officer, postman, photographer, pilot, Catholic nun, painter, mechanic, magician, lifeguard, lunchroom supervisor, clown, housekeeper, gardener, geisha, footballer, forest ranger, builder, foreman, farmer, flight attendant, fireman, engineer, carpenter, architect, office worker, computer programmer, veterinarian, street vendor, factory worker, miner, teacher, real estate agent, bellboy, gas station attendant, speaker, deliveryman, butcher, pharmacist, receptionist, politician, tour guide, entrepreneur, ballet dancer, astronaut, judge, customs officer, lawyer, cashier, taxi driver, plumber, musician, chef, baker, and artist. That's all for today, guys. Keep practicing and see you next time.